Thank you very much. Good afternoon. It's 2 p.m. in Indonesia. I'm in Jakarta. My name is Feda Makkiyah. I'm from UPN Veteran Jakarta from Indonesia. Today, I would like to present you our result of our study, importance of self-regulated learning, cognitive function, and stress levels in fostering academic integrity behavior in undergrad medical students. We are doing a single center research for measuring integrity behavior in our medical undergrad student. Okay. So why we are doing that? Because we saw that, and also it's come from the paper from Guraya 2018, academic integrity among medical students has not shown a significant improvement amidst the increasing number of publications on professionalism in academia. And also there's a paper that also mentioned academic misconduct in medical universities is increasing globally, including cheating and plagiarism. I would like to present you some facts of academic misconduct. One, in a study conducted by Abdurrahman et al. 2017 at 3 United UAA medical universities, it was found that the majority of medical students admitted to engaging in acts of dishonesty. And also there is a paper that mentioned from 6 universities in Malaysia with 141 respondents revealed that approximately half of medical students reported experiencing academic dishonesty with their peers. It's from paper in 2018. And our scope is intrinsic factors that influence academic integrity. So there are extrinsic factors that are learning environment, peer influence, and lack of supervision. And our scope is in intrinsic factors that we're going to measure self-regulation, cognitive function, academic stress, and also there are intrinsic factors that we are not measured here, moral and religious development. And the way we doing our research, that first we collect from our administration office. There are 296 medical students from batch 2020 and 2021. In 2023, the year that we're doing our research, and we are calculated our sample size is 188 respondents. And so each batch requires at least 94 respondents. And we send the questionnaire to the student from batch 2020 and 2021. And within the 1 week, they have to fill the questionnaire. There are MSLK questionnaire, DAS 42 questionnaire, academic integrity questionnaire, and another week they have to fill out the DSST test. Inclusion criteria is that we exclude the students that were not healthy, or students that are undergoing psychiatric therapy, and student that has had academic stress or issue with the death of the family member, or has a family problem such as parental divorce or have a chronic illnesses. So we collect 210 samples, and only 189 that complete research instrument. So one sample is deleted. So we have 188 students for our sample, and our instruments are key. the motivated strategies for learning questionnaire. And cognitive function, we use the DSST tests. And for the stress level, we use the DAS-42 questionnaire. And for the academic integrity, we use Roff questionnaire that we got from Maharani paper. So the result, the characteristics of our respondent ranging from age 18 to 23, and the majority is in age 20, and majority of students were female, and 94 students come from batch 20 and also come from batch 21. And then for the SRL, majority of student is in moderate level, and then there are 11 students that has extreme stress level, and from the academic integrity there are 11 students that showed extreme academic integrity from our questionnaire. And we are analyzing the correlation test between academic integrity and other variables that are SRL, cognitive function, and stress level. They are showed significantly difference with the p less than 0.05. And also we are doing the multi-level analysis with the logistic regression test, and it showed that self-regulated learning has the bigger impact than cognitive function and stress level in academic integrity. So we come to the discussion. Data suggests that older students have poor academic integrity have a higher percentage compared to the lower students. This because that N-level students have more in-depth experience working on tests and exam as long as they dare to cheat. And from the SRL, in line with the previous studies, our study shows that SRL had a significant impact on academic integrity. Other studies found that SRL had a negative correlation to the academic fraud. This was because high SRL students focused on learning goals, found suitable strategies, and evaluated their understanding. And this helped them build confidence and improve academic access. Whether low SRL students experience irregular learning process, causing anxiety and potential academic fraud. And from the cognitive function, our study shows that there is a significant correlation between cognitive function and academic integrity. This because students with good cognitive function will tend to take moral and ethical priorities, so they seek to avoid action that violate academic integrity. And another paper from Paul Host and Dubois suggests that based on systematic surveys, there is a negative correlation between cognitive function and academic fraud. The experience of failure experienced by students with poor cognitive function is associated with anxiety over such failure. So compensate by combating academic fraud, especially on less controlled learning materials. And then from the stress, according to finding from our study, stress level had significant correlation on academic integrity, and it is in line with the paper from Tyndall in 2021 that shows a significant positive correlation between stress and academic dishonesty. And also from we acknowledge our limitation. First, in completing the questionnaire, the duration of the time given was relatively short. I'm talking about the medical students that majority had a very tedious study time. And secondly, the digital symbol substitution test, the DSST, only measured the cognitive function in general, and it did not measure cognitive aspect such as attention deficit, languages aspect, executive function, and orientation. However, our DSST was able to measure important aspects of cognitive function that affected student understanding and learning. So we come to the conclusion. The majority of students in our institute had a moderate level of academic integrity, and SRL, cognitive function, and stress level have a significant relationship with academic integrity. And in between those three variables, SR has the most significant influence on academic integrity. That's all from my presentation. Thank you very much for listening.